Alright, this is how you know about Ebirabo. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Yange, you don't know again. Carole, everyone has a message he wants to give you.
Okay, Carole, I wish you the best for your baby and your family. I love you.
Be careful.
And the baby daddy was stammering, and all the best. I love you. MC Chimakazinga.
Oh, enjoy your season. I'm saying, I gotta put it back too.
We are going now. Yeah,
Carole. She did one. You know because they did here. But we love you, Carole. Like so much. You are our joy. But you were too well to one vibe, but you were not vibe. And we are here because we love you. Everybody's here to celebrate you. And Jolie took Jatovayo. We are joining you soon. Lydia Jasmine is soon getting pregnant. Then Nina told me next month she's going to be pregnant. And me, I'll come last in 2035. But anyways, we are here for you. We're here celebrating her. So, tukwagaliza pushing okulungi. Push so hard. Yes, we know you're a strong woman. You've been pushing. You've pushed everything in this world. So a baby is something really small. Yeah. Oh, you know, man, that's why you're like that. Yeah. So personally, I love you so much. Like I've said, you're our joy, and thank you for being a good friend. We are here because everybody, they love you so much. Yeah, so nice pushing. Shall soon push. You are still pushing other things.
So, Carole, we wish you all the best. You've always been good to us. I know you have our blessings, and that is why we are here. We love you so much, and we wish you the best.
Right about now, I want to do Artist Pro.
Give me the microphone. 1 minute.
Ninga but student for seconds. Push. Carole, we are proud of you. And the chief which we try Kaka Sanchi is okay. Now, Sigada, what do you want to do? Trust me, baby. Trust me. Whatever blessings are being used in the channel, and we wish for blessings.
Hello?
Carole, so then I was one of the Carole, yeah, but it's been a wonderful journey. Yeah, I they change every week. Yeah. But anyway, I wish you the best, and I like you so much.
1 minute. Carole, thank you for being different, because the reason why we're here today, you're different from any female artist in the music industry. Why I call you different, it was a choice you made, a bold choice, by the way, to take this step in life. So I want to appreciate you for being different, for wanting the best for yourself, and I wish you the best, of course. Thank you. Thank you, Nina. Because kale kampe medicine. Anaye medicine naye kubanga twabadde babiri mu struggle.
Carole, oyase. Sobola tuwamba bwino. Carole, you are my friend. You are my friend. You know how much I love you. Yeah? Sorry, I love this. Sorry. So Chomanya, wherever you're going to be, to Uri Marega, to Ja, we are going to be there. Once again. So, Manyoina Bano, okay? Oina Bano. Banga Yona, Wabango, Twitanga, we are available, okay? So, we're not feeling lonely or anything or whatever. A little bit out to be there, no matter what to be there. For you. Yes. Yeah. And this message goes to everyone. We never do. We're one team, and we love all of you, and we'll always be there for you guys. I want to take this opportunity to thank Lydia Jasmine. Thank you for being a sweetheart. Thank you for loving everybody. Thank you for caring. Thank you for everything you do. And trust me, what goes around comes around. One day, one time, we'll show you how much we love you. And this is our sister, you know how much we love you. Thank you so much. We love you. Bless you, okay?
Eddie, I'm also pregnant.
Thank you all for coming. Honestly, this was
Kind of last minute, but everyone we called, everyone we told about this, make sure that they made time. They gave, their time. Everyone, as soon as they heard it's about Carole Kasiita, I was like, you know what, I'm going to make it. I have engagements, but I'll be there. Carole, this is to show you how much we love you. Your child has so many aunties and uncles, and it's going to be so spoiled. Well, have your own. Anyways. No, honestly, this is sad. This is such a big blessing, and we're so excited. We can't wait to meet the little baby. And we wish you a safe delivery. We're praying for you. As Eddie said, this is your team right here. All of us, we love back. We love you so much. God bless you so much. And yes, again, thank you all for showing Carole all this love. This is what friendship is about. This is what family is about. Showing up for people. So really appreciate it. God bless you all.
So much. We won't say much because we are in a place that's limited. We have limited time. But anyways, everybody has said, congratulations, everything is the same with me, From day one, this industry is good. I have so many artists here. We're very giving, but to get a person like Carole has no problem with everybody. So I was at my house waiting for someone to throw a baby shower for Carole. Nobody showing up, and we are friends. Before we go to any concert, Carole gives me a call, and I want to get that. So we're like, everywhere we go together, so I'm like, am I being a good friend? I would love this to happen to me one day if I ever get back, Every woman would love that. Anyways, abashara fena walioza diko omanyi nti kino kikya baby shower wokina mikwano gyo kizaamu amaanyi kikuwa encouragement. You feel loved, you feel cared for, you feel empowered. Nti Carole agenda mu room yenga amanyi nti banange have 1,000 people behind me and waiting for the baby, and she's gonna have that courage and power and energy to push. So I was like, we have to see this. Some people try to do something for her, but on that very day, it's when you're like 2 hours, you only want to look her. I'm like, to the shows, how December is, and we didn't even manage everybody, spice everybody again, about me, makes it again. So many people I know didn't even attend. I don't know if was there. Brian is a very good friend. So I said, you know what? Melissa, to Carole, excuse me, whatever it is, but she has to feel our love, our care, and she has to be with her. This being her first baby, it's not easy. Right? So I said, this courage, this bravery, this, decision is not easy. So let's make yesterday night, okay, no, we talked about this in September, but yesterday night Carole yangamba enena ku ntono okuzala tagenda nayingira January tulina okola enkyogedde ekintu ekigenda omuwa amaanyi awulire laavu yaffe awulire ekitulowoozaako tuli naye. This being her first baby, it's not easy. It's not really easy. So yesterday we called all of you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Brian, Eva, Abba, thank you for the amazing outfit. You made it in one day. I called you yesterday night. Everybody, Bambi, my photographers, mwena Bambi, Carole, but I said Bambi, because we didn't have a plan. We just said we have to do this before she gives birth. Yeah, because so anyways, she felt the love, she saw you guys, you turned up. Thank you so much. Anyways, I don't know how to talk, but thank you guys. Carole, we wish you the best. Go and push this baby. Saga to box as a color. So we love you. So we trust you, we believe in you. Go behind that room. Push this baby. We love you. Everybody else, God bless you, Carole. I just wanted you to feel the love and I'm here behind you. This being your first baby, I know how I would feel how you would have done this to me myself. So I'm so happy that we took an example, and I hope you are happy. We love you, baby. It's so great. One second. Thank you for this beautiful initiative. I am so humbled. Everybody know all these artists and Brian to come here and show me all this love. I feel so loved. Make up na Gambia. But I swear that I'm not Japa, then the time I took from Caribbean, like later in the night. But everybody, thank you very much for being there for me. Oh my God! Even the whole team, everybody calls me, Jasmine. Everybody here collapsing. How are you? How is it going? I'm so blessed. My baby must be so blessed. It must be so loved when I feel so loved and so blessed. What I can say is thank you very much. Everybody here around all the time. Sibalimba, what now? But I'll make sure of the more Zalida. Now get pushing it up. Be surprised. But everybody, thank you very much. Have a blessed night.
But don't drink and drive, eh? It's one major now. Come on, me, let's go.